Hi everybody, Keith Best here. And in this video, it's just going to be a quick one. It's basically just to show you what's been happening with the local appliance repair sites that I built up the other day. I did a video about them. I started building them around about the 20th of December. I'll probably finish building around about the 23rd, something like that, 24th. And I've just gone in today just to have a look at my Ring Bar, which is the call network which I use for my demo site. And as you can see, on the 29th of December, we actually got an appliance repair lead come in. Now it's in, I'm assuming the DC is from Washington, DC. Um, there is no, have a look. Um, what state goes DC? Yeah, Washington, DC. Well, in there, I've got two sites which I put up. There's Tacoma Appliance Repair directly there. That one, which is me subdomain. There's, I think it's Sarasota. Is that in Washington, DC as well? I think that one's Washington. Just a quick check. Sarasota's in Washington. Here's my list. Um, yeah, I've got Tacoma. Oh, Seattle. Seattle, not bad. I've got a Seattle one. So these are the actual sites. Which obviously, like I say, we'll put up 10 or whatever days ago, because the day is now the 31st of the 12th. So basically, these were put up roughly, well, let's say 9 days ago from when that lead come in. So not bad. So maybe I was wrong in thinking that subdomains don't rank. So I've never built like sort of subdomains out thinking that they didn't rank very well. But it looks like I'm going to be proved wrong here because it looks like they do. So we'll build some more out. Like I say, I'll keep on pushing these a little bit. I've already done another video which shows you how to create content for them. And I've done one which shows you how to add backlinks to them and put videos on. And I'll keep doing little bits of videos and little bits of stuff. And let's see if we can get them pushed up a little bit. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos that I want to make and stuff like that. If the video was useful, then feel free to leave a comment, let us know what was useful. If you've got any other videos that you'd like us to make, then leave a comment. That helps the channel, plus it lets me know you enjoyed it. So therefore, I'm going to make more videos for you guys. Catch you on the next video, guys. Bye.